La ingeke asisi owake emakhaya because kamza mfowethu yakwathi ukuhlinta inkomo.
Ufuna
Yakwathi nje ukuhlinta inkomo.
bahlinza phela, bahlinza esibukeni bayahlinza ke ngababona laphana. Bayidubula,
bayidubula Soweto. Okay, ukhulele Soweto ne. Ngithi azikhambe ke ngokusiya emakhaya andisona tange waya ndikusapha kwaBhaca. KwaBhaca ke nakuhlintiwe ne there are parts tenyama ebitwa ngamagama. Sicela usibari wethu egola sikhuphele inyama ethini. Usibari akathi sixhanti akathi I think akhona.
Asekhona ne?
Yes, because yabona umzakelo ngoku. Bese ngihlale eGoli mina ke benitenga esikole eUJ ndishiye indoda yami emakhaya. Mna ndibuya nini ngoDisemba kuphela. Ukhona business phaya emakhaya but lo no phaya emakhaya uyathi ukuthi kukhona lokho eGoli ufika mayifikile lo wake eGoli iphelile into beyidibanisa lo bhuti iyoziphinde iqale mase ukukhambe lo wake eGoli. Dear V, please keep me anonymous.
Slungless.
I once dated a guy that is 9 years older than me and he had his own family, which means the guy was married. I'm confused whether he truly loves me or not. The other side of me wants to leave their relationship and the other side still loves him a lot.
Saphunde sabuya ke futhi awumadoda sibuyile ke futhi kongcono ekhaya kodwa
akungcono ekhaya
hawo madoda kungcono
hey back like umqolo
we are back like umqolo awumadoda injalo nje futhi hayi ngijabulile I'm really excited of the conversation that we are having ekhaya and I'm also excited for today usaphethe mina ke kanjalo zavele nje manje siyagijima ke namhlanje phela ngoba hey nalapho ngifuna ukuthi sifike khona nalapho kumele sifike khona hey ake athi ngibulise ngithi ubilisa uye kuqamqamyeke lo mfo ka computer madoda phansi exhobhe elimade lapho ngidabuka khona ngifule ngiphuza umzimkhulu madoda suka wena mfana yangena imbejula madoda kwangena uzulu wangena ukhalumesho unothi umuntu elincane ngokusela tono nato futelo kwanyoko madoda awu onofisa ongavuva ngamalayo madoda mina ngavunywa madoda mina ngavunywa phansi kwahlubi madoda bangivuma ngavunywa kebhayi amadoda sebhayi badaje izimali ngavunywa amanzi amnandi evali madoda badawo njaswara ngavunywa goli madoda kwanyama ipheli ngoba ngintombi yafiwa abafana bambadawo modomodo lo kama mnandi ungaliphinda kabili modo
is a
akami ngedwa ke namhlanje futhi ki hey ubuyile uV oh madoda ntombi yakwaBhaca
yathi nje nasokutiwa ukuthi bonga uvela ubukise ngazi nje ubukise ngazi sibe sesithini ngokuthina nasovela kanjena
kusalunga
Saniyana benike ndamchaza ke uSaniyana uba uyintoni nangaba ubunga
right uMike
alright
alright
nangaba ke ubungavanga uba yintoni uSaniyana utandinceda unincede nami ubuyele umva ku episode yokuqala uyobukela edase ngabhaceni side yakhona eMount Frere mlamndu uviwa kwaSigudu owatwangela kaSinalo Gamethe uadvocate wakwaBhaca uSaniyana
yes
ndikhamba nayo
sizoyalinga nje mahlathi amnyama
nje mahlathi amnyama uzwane over to you
ekhaya kasinazo ukuyibonga yikho nje ukusamele siyifuni ubisa ngathi manje senzenjani ke
kusalunga mawuthi enkandlo manje awazi umuzi ka former president uJacob Zuma uyobona nje wathi nje wake wayophuza amanzi wacela amanzi uyakwazi ukuyocela
nakho
uyakwazi ungena ocela amanzi njengaphela emakhaya uyakwazi ukuthi ungene endlini
ngazi nganginamanga kodwa ngiboni phela ngoba ovia sakhona magadi kumele uqala ngeke
Utasho
uvele
ucela
uyongena
amanzi.
zocela amanzi
Ucela amanzi.
zocela amanzi
ngithi mhlawumbe ke phela uyakwazi
zininga ngayo izinto ongayicela zocela amanzi
phela mawudlula phela udlula ucela amanzi emakhaya
Emakhaya umuntu like kuze usho even if uyapheka uswena
Cha,
upheka
kodwa phela-
if uneba u4 ungafaka amapisi wenyama ayi4 faka 2 for umkhambi wendle.
yeah
So ayikho lento leyo.
Shodayiseko sekunabantu abagadayo ke manje.
hayi sithanda ukubingelelayo emakhaya sithi saniyana ngihleli intombi yakwabhaca ke namhlanje hayi kodwa zinhle intombi ekhaya podcast awusuka madoda
Antombi yafa bafana ba. Hayi siyabonga mina ngijabule kakhulu ke namhlanje ngoba nje into esizokhuluma ngayo ke namhlanje nje mina ngiyithande kakhulu but before nje sifika lapho ufuna ukwazi ukuthi how was your trip coming here e-studio?
Hayi yabona mina nje Uber driver ndiyabesaba benithandaza angandeli yabona azenzama nokuba nice kuye shem yabona mina sithi hayi umuntu olungile
And uchilo ke izolo wathi ngokulanda noba ufuna
uba unlast shoes ufuna ndebiwe Uber driver yabona shem ndizama uba nice amancoko yabona ndifuna ngandebi hayi but
kanti ayikho le option lokuthi uthule ucela umuntu ukuthi athule ku-Uber.
athuleleni
bayakwenza ke lokho yazi mase be rate driver lapha
angathi khona le option.
umuntu e-rate driver bese e-comment ethi talking too much
hayi manje ifuna ke
bayithola bethi talking too much
hayi
omunye rate uthi ke usilent akakhuluma isida
Yeah.
kanjalo be rate ama driving ukuthi
hayibo ngeke I traveled 45 minutes coming here ndijakhamba na
khona abantu abangafuni
Akathi njalo sometimes ama-preference nje ukuthi awufuna uthi nje ungene emotweni uthule nje uthi nje cwaka.
wait
hayi mina nje yabona nje ngiza la bese ixoxela no driver nje ngikonkinga ngicela
ndize
ukuthi
ngicela ukuconnect umaskandi
Phela kusekhaya nasemotweni phela kusekhaya emotweni kungcono ekhaya.
hayi kodwa ke phela la emavini adlule nginoscrolla kakhulu ngithanda kakhulu uscrolla ku TikTok mina kodwa ngantshela ngeviki edlule
Washo vele.
isikhathi esiningi ngifunda 30 minutes ngiscroll i-hour yabona ukuthi ngiyadabisha isikhathi sa TikTok
Ufundaphi?
ngila UJ
UJ. Hey, shout out to UJ.
shout out to UJ I'm graduate from UJ come
Now we're UJ.
come graduates please
Graduate.
Graduate.
Hey now. Ugqoke iregalia. Yebo?
ijazi lemali
Ayi, asibonge.
kodwa hayi la se-UJ phela le masters kodwa asikho la
qala nje undergrad
ngale
uyale
hayi kodwa asikho ke lapho ngila ekutheni mina awazi emavini adlule ngiphatheka kabi angazi manje ngiphatheka kabi ngoba phela ngithi content lento kaMbeshe noCabashi
Hayibo.
ngithi content phela kanti la
Kanti akena content?
angazi phela ngoba ngibona uMbeshe eseshaya lokonjani uCabashi
Umshayile.
hawo kanti
abadlali
Hayi, ubengamshaya ngokudlala.
bemdlalisi
khona ukudlala ukushaya
it's part of content it's part of content one thing about KZN creators they will do anything for content because iyakholisa nabo abanye babe be-plan imijolo be-chat baze balobole fake things so maybe bemdlalisi
Ubani lo lobola fake hayibo nini?
who are these banofana lo usamkelo shezi
I don't know.
oh
I don't know.
umbali zamadosha umbali wabantu manager of the world
Ayangimasi.
kodwa kungeke ukuthi
Shout out to Umbali noma
umbali zamadosha
Mbali zamadosha. Shout out to Mbali.
samkelo shezi
No,
they were married according to content
Oh, okay.
yes so andiyakule nto ukuthi maybe bemdlalisa
ngomshiza
hoyibo yi-content kumele bengathi is-real
Manje ubebaleka yena uCabashi noba bokwenzakalani?
ivida anani bazi nibona ivida
Hayi azange siyibona uzomela ukuthi siyibeke lapha escreen nobomkhaya bake bayibheka ayisende groupini
trendeka ngaka
ikhona unayo ku
hayibo
Itrend of which side of TikTok?
nidlala muphi TikTok
TikTok lo mdlalo wona but
nathi sawudlala uTikTok ngicela ningifollow lapha na umoto kama mina ngiziphinda kabi lo moto mina ngishaya ingoma
ayicamba umbeje somadlana phela Emva kwesigameko ama-poster asewadedela.
Hayi yazi mina bengicabanga ukuthi vele bayadlala kanti is this serious?
Mase kukhona isandla
Kodwa vele mase kushana ke manje that means
maybe
no
udlale
mhlawumbe khona okukhuluma
noma
ukuthini.
khona odlale kabi.
kanjani ngoba uzobona ivideo iyangena manje kusashawe network.
Hawu mhlawumbe akasifone phela mina ngiyalithanda ke sweet. Eyacula Liansizwa.
Iyashaya.
Yacula Liansizwa futhi nje I think it was one of the best when it comes to performance kaMaskandi. Wafuna umuntu oza kuperformela ayisweet lelo.
Kodwa nisho ukuthi bengancokola ngenduka nje. Omunye ngayiphethe omunye uyiphethe isengenile ucheck lapho lokho.
Hayibo. Uyagadla mos lo muntu.
Uya.
Lokho nje.
Hayibo. Uthi yami ijubane.
Manje.
Hayibo.
This is content.
Ikontent.
Yeah.
Hey ijubane lika sweet.
Hayibo sabambani insizwa.
This is personal game.
Besuthi content.
Ngiyabona video.
Hayibo.
Manje.
Hayibo uyamqeda ngenduku.
Hayibo.
Maze ngihlekisa ama-poster akhe ke manje.
And then umbeje uthike
ukhuluma AI futhi naye yabona manje sephethe insilana uyabaleka lokho njani ucabaje umbeje uyamkhopha futhi sekushoda abantu futhi manje ngikhumbuzeni. Uyabuya post uthi mawuyijonga uhluka njalo nje nesikhwili.
Ngene kuso.
Ngiyabonyana mina bokhuluma bala amagama akho.
Yabo lento bendisho nithi ayinokudlale kabi.
Usho nama kuse content.
Kodwa angaduya komqalile phela ngathi sweet liqalile lagadla. Ubonile la video mayisi. Wenzeni kanti into enzile?
Ngathi ubeya kuye.
Ubeya kuye nje umbulisa.
Mhlawumbe phela ngemuthi content.
Hayi noba nayo beyohlasela. Uyapi kum
ephetheni.
Phela uma bloga wajata ungiphelezele ngisoxoxa eminyango. Mhlawumbe nje uSuthi befuna ukusho njalo ungiphelezele siyoxoxa kanti hayi
umbeje wabona wethu.
Hayi indlela lula kumele one day nike nibita umbeje la ekhaya athi sibalesela uba kwakutheni
ne akumele ke
content or content ngokushayana because yabona uzamleqa
phoza phula namawindi emoto phela leyo begadla leyo umuntu bengadlali lapha hayi hey kumnandi
mhlawumbe we'll just call one of them batochaza
yeah hey that actually maybe we can make it happen just case sibabize sibize omunye wabo akazochaza hayi ke namhlanje ikhona into engifuna sikhulume ngayo umjolo the dating phela siyazi ukuthi mawusekhaya ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo and ezinye ezenzakalayo uma lokukhula ukujola umjolo the dating so I want us to talk about umjolo ekushaya ukuthi usanjani umjolo nokuthi nakhona kuyiwa kuphi manje namhlanje bomkhaya ngi very formal ngifuna ukuyifunda ngoba ngibhale phansi lento ukuthi kahle ngifuna ukuthi siyephi nandi le ndaba ukuthi they say that South Africans are the most resilient people on earth kodwa ke ayikho into etesta iresilience yethu njenga nomjolo umjolo wasethinda niyawazi umjolo wasethinda we are a nation of 3.5 apparently we are 3.5 singles eJoburg alone khona la nje eGoli la 3.5 million people are single la eGoli engangimali mina lapho
ubala for genders
yet you've never felt more disconnected ne the number tells the story of a great delay into esibona la ukuthi men are waiting until 38 to say I do and women are holding until 34 uthi I do so umshado nje ulapho nje ku 38 34 ayasi rush into unions anymore we are dodging them like potholes on a rainy day. Is it because we are picky or because we've realized that happily ever after is expensive and we can no longer afford it? Ngoba there's actually a study ne esibuya ku University of Cape Town. Shout out to University of Cape Town, New City. Sanibona lapho Angcono ekhaya.
lapho ngesizulu.
Ithi 56 people of Tinder users, right? Which obvious Tinder ungathola ukuthi is where the single people are. 56 people, they admit that bona on Tinder they are not looking for soulmates, right? They're using the app as a form of entertainment. Or a time filler nje ukuthi awuthi ke ngoba manje ngifuna ukubhekela iNetflix awuthi ke ngibheke Tinder pha ngiscroll. So manje ngifuna ukuthi ke sikhulume ngalo into ukuthi based on this actually, do you think Tina vele singabantu ababuye emakhaya and we've been also exposed ngomjolo wangala eGoli, even urban ungathola eThekwini so ukhona Cape Town ukhona lo mjolo. Anyway nje in the big cities you find this type of dating where it's very much globalized, it's very much modern. Do you think this mjolo manje is right for marriage? Or i-right nje lento ukuthi lo mjolo lona abantu nje khona manje nje na they are just testing waters. They're trying to bring entertainment.
Usho ukuthi khona umuntu osajolela ukuthi ubheka umshado kule sikhathi samanje.
Ukhona yibo.
Ukhona. Hey, uyajola vi.
Hayibo.
Asiqale lapho nje uyajola.
Ngizothina ungajola abafana bebangaka emhlabeni.
Ha
Bebangaka abafana abafundile, abafana bezimoto, abafana banemali. Bebangaka.
Uyezwa ama standards.
Kodwa ke wena ujolelani? Ujolela
indlala.
Ujolela indlala. This is very interesting.
Siyabonga eqinile.
Enjani indlala
Yabona mina. Yabona mina.
Indlala enjani phela indlala ziningi.
Ndiyalawo. Yabona mina. Ayiyeke lecinga indlala ndikho la.
Oh okay.
Yabona mina. I know I'm going to be very successful. Sifuna nje sendiyabona nje ukuthi yabona.
Suye la khona.
Yabona ngo sathwele intima ngoku ngisahlupheka ngoku that's why imele enjoy nabafana amakhehla la ko 30.
Hey.
Uyabona so that you can sustain.
Udadi khehla kanti hey ngikhehla mina.
Okay usahamba.
So ngijoyela indlala ukuthi ungiphe imali, ungibelise imoto yakho, ungise Cape Town ngoba phela mina nginayo imali
awubheki umshado ngithi.
Ngishada nabantu khehla.
Okay emva kala usuqedwe ukwenza zonke lezo zinto usubheka umshado. Awubheki.
Ngithe mina ngijoyela indlala ngijoyela umshado. Mase nginezinto zami nami sengila ku 25 I think I will stop dating. Ngizothi ngibe nifunani hayi.
Stop ungabusala.
Nginemali yami nginemoto zami yonke lento bengijola sengina ngibafuna nabafana. Maybe if I
so manje uzokwenzani ke when you get to that point? Are you saying that you are no more going to date uzophila uwedwa? Noba ulapho khona ke uzabe sothi ke
as in one thing about the internet it does not forget, so I don't want to say something manje ngithi hey bese umyeni wami uyayibona iyabona
uyayibona lenda
bese it comes back to me ukuthi wena wawuthe
cha uzayishilo nje uyayibona le ukuthi wena usajolela
yabona ngo ndithe nasendine izinto zami nje bese enhle so mayefika yena nje hayi phela ungekafiki you are the one who changed my perspective.
Mayse ufuna ukushada ufuna iqala ebheka i-research ngawe yabo
research and
phela mekuthiwe ngakubone phela ukuthi ke ukanjani
research ngilunge kanje bakithi
ngeke ujaji nje umuntu nje ukuthi ayisihlanganile ngoba manje usa act usa behavior kanje nami ayisho ukuthi iyona indlela azo behavior ngayo throughout
mina ngifuna ukwazi which one do you prefer, dating insizwa zasemakhaya or insizwa zaseGoli? Oh you don't
okay insizwa yasemakhaya ehlala eGoli or exposed to the
no umuntu okukhulele nje njenganoKamza yabo uKamza ukhulele ngala eGoli nje wazalelwa lana wakhulela lana eVal, shout out to eVal 18 moye yabo zonke lezo zinto so kunomjito walapho and then kunabasemakhaya hayi ukuthi ke
ayingeke asithi owake emakhaya because Kamza mfowethu uyakwazi ukuhlinta inkomo
funa
yawathi nje ukuhlinta inkomo
bahlinza phela basibuke bayahlinza kangababona lapha bayidubula bayidubula
okay Soweto ne ngithi azikhambe ke ngokusiya emakhaya andisona tange waya ndikusakhaya kwabhaca ke nakuhlintiwe ne there are parts tenyama ebitwa ngamagama
Injalo,
sicela
injalo.
usibari wethu egola sikhuphele inyama ethini usibari akathi isixhanti akathi
badla ngesibindi yazi lo video
athatha isibindi
Ukwazi
asiphosele
ngesegoli. Uhle isibindi
hayi ngeke so nje
Oh, okay.
indlaveni
Kanti
yakemakhaya
kubaluleke ngani lokho ukwazi lokho ukhuluma ngakuthi ke
it's very important to me because I'm very cultured. I'm a very cultured person. Yabona? Nje futhi kwakumele nje nditalwe.
ngalezo enkathi.
Yabo. So it's very important to me.
Hey, wena Mnqobi, which one would you prefer?
hayi emakhaya noma la eGoli awucha sengangiyagula ekhanda awucha intombi ngabe yasemakhaya kubo yasemakhaya umuntu ozofuna ukuganwa nje ngisusa umuntu la eGoli ngimusa ekhaya uzophila kanjani lapha akazi ukuthi phela
Tafunza yibo.
uzofunda ekhaya thina kekhamba ugesi bowuhambe 4 days ugesi phansi lapha kuyabaza
Kuyavuthe.
futhi nje ngingasho makhamba ugesi siyabasa nje every day
Ayinjalo and futhi I think that's what I
Manje-
enjoy about emakhaya nje ukubasa uphunge nje kubasiwe nje kumnandi
manje
nje.
inkinga usho ukuthi umuntu osuka la eGoli ophethe ilokishi manje ilokishi ophethe isilungu engakwazi adapt lapha
Ewe, angafunza kanzi.
no adapt
Bayafunza. Abona abafana bala eSouth Africa basasifuna babuya nama China le.
Babuya nama China ubani noma manje ubene China noma China.
Like ungasearch nje ku TikTok nje like I don't know their names but I'm trying to say ukuthi
but
bayafunza like no wakho angafunza.
yeah should my willing ukufundayo ewala eGoli ungamthatha
Hey, but okay, so now I'm learning ukuthi you guys are still preferring the traditional way of dating. It's just now you are being exposed to this side because mawuthi prefer umuntu wasemakhaya phela that means you don't mind lo wamjolo ukuthandana kwakhona futhi mina ngiyakuthanda lo mthandana khona ukuthi mawufuma ubona isoka lakho lime laphayana njena lo lizulazula wena soyozikhisa amanzi laphana uthi yonke manje sothi seniyangalela nje kancane nje nithi ukuxoxa nje adathi ngigijimele ekhaya phela ngalana isekho ngalana phela kuyabhukwa ngalana ngokulanda ethinda ngiyabhuka sijola ngibhukhile hayi asihlali nje ehlathini
Emakhaya is simple low budget.
simple straightforward
Yabona nje.
And ngalana you have to pay phela njengoba
Yabona
I like that. Actually the study lesi siyasho ukuthi there's actually 700 so like I'm a first date for you to afford the first date. You need to at least have 700 to have like a proper maybe we say a McDonald's.
But kulento yami ukuthi ndifuna umuntu wake emakhaya. Bendathi banithini ngoba ndithi ndifuna wake emakhaya but onga or who is exposed to the city life. And andathi abafowethu ndiyabathi batandidla ngamatinyo kodwa itagagana. Yabona abafana bake emakhaya kunendlela abacinga ngayo. Bonke futhi ungathi ucingelwa no batalwa umfato oyi1 because bacinga ngokufanayo. Abangakwisi ke kwabhaca. Yabona hlonta kuteka ngo. Nanje ukutekile wena uyohlala emakhaya mina ndiyosebenzela wena eGoli.
Njalo.
Hayike.
kanti inoyizelela eGoli phela eGoli nizosebenza
Njalo phela
emakhaya
hawu
nisebenzele ekhaya nizile eGoli la uzovakasha
Ndidabuya nabantwana ongabadi ubamkele labantwana haba.
hayi usekutshela straight kanti ukuthi
abafana bake emakhaya indlela abacinga and trust me utayenda lento asewutayenda because now umbuta yambona umama mna utata wabuye nabafowethu abayi4 isuka nabemayini abake ekhaya nango yabona ufuna abafana bake emakhaya bafuna ayi.
Hey, but I think it's sisalana kulobola le ndaba ne the gents are waiting until they're 38 ukuze bashade and then abantu besifazane they're waiting until they're 32 and most of the time is because vele indaba yolobola. And do you think lobola today it's expensive and that's why abantu they are waiting longer, or what do you think is the reason why people are waiting until they're that age ukuze bashade? They're just happy in their 20s, happy to date until
Bafana bafuna ukudlala.
bafuna ukudlala kanjani singenamali imali ayikho phela
Hayi khona amantombazana ajona abafana bangena imali.
sengisho ukulobola phela angithi ukulobola you need Thwana kwaZulu inkomo zingakhi
Anifuni ukuthi ukulobola
11
anifuni ukuthi 7 kuphi nangu umuntu wake emzimkhulu
kodwa futhi abasayifuni nalo level sebefuna engaphezulu
ngeke yabona manje I'm coming for you NMZ
Vele,
emzimkhulu nilobola ngenkomo
Oh, thina emzimkhulu
nange
nembuzi.
1.5 ungathola isithembu
Oh, nangembuzi.
emzimkhulu nge 1.5 umngakho umtholile wakho
thina sithengisi
Nangwa
phela
ndimhleli. Animhleli nami.
hayi shuthi phela
Ndimhleli
thina
nami.
sithengisi
Defend your NMZ.
asithengisi phela thina sithi senza ubuhlobo
Nange 1.5
khona
Wenza
abantu
ubuhlobo 1.5.
akanalutho yingakho thina sigana ngisho sabancane ngoba thina siyasho ukuthi hayi angibhale edolweni akubhale edolweni uzabuya futhi masoni uyamtshela ukuthi akhona manje ngisanenkukhu
Yabo?
lezi inkukhu
And they never come back.
ungalobola ngenkukhu
siyabuya
They-
ngoba
Hayi.
ngaba
Walobola
21 years
ngenkukhu
kodwa
Kwabhaca, yabona kwabhaca.
sizisenye futhi imbuzi
Indaba yelobola kwabhaca.
Eh.
You can come with inkomo eyi1.
usuqedile
Awudazi kaloku na ufika
mawuthanda
ndiyabuya.
nje ukuthi ngiyabuya
Yes. Ababuyi.
But that's the beauty of it because it's
How is it
expensive.
beautiful?
It's expensive ukushada kwamanje. Like ukushada nje
Kodwa-
uthi manje ngiyalobola njenga uzazithatha phi inkomo ezu 20 ezu
Fostwa
11.
yini uma unga afford.
cha hayi ukuthi ustandard
Uyamthanda, uma uthanda
Na
umuntu
unga afford lobola uyohluphekisa umfati.
hawu
Umsaka ipoverty.
aphela sisahlupheka sonke yazi
Hayi ngeke
nasemandulo
siyabambisana
nasemandulo kwakunjani.
siyabambisana sikubudlelwane bokubambisana
Hawu injani
Yabona ke mina advocate.
kodwa athi
Angeke ngishiye igate la kwamamjoleli wako. Ngiphize nje uyisa igate la kwini futhi na kwini liyawa. Hayi ke.
kodwa mina ngicabanga ukuthi is because abantu besimame manje they are more independent bathanda independence ukudlula ukuya emshadweni njenganawo usho ukuthi wena umele ukuthi ube nento zakho umele kanjani ukuba nento zakho ngoba ungaba nento zakho emshadweni umuntu omthanda
mana ngibuza mina okay asithi usemshadweni unento zakho mina ngishadile nawe anginazo izinto mhlambe e18 yabo wena unamandla angingasho amandla okurula wena unamandla ngani
ngemali yeah
Ubuta bundetshele kanjani? Ngisuka kanjani?
ngikusuka kanjani
Hayi phela-
intombi nje
phela intombi ishona ngamanga.
Asekhe kanje mfowethu let's say.
Yukuthi thatha ngamanga ukuthi hayi ekhaya
Asekhe kanje.
zikhona
Let's say-
izinto.
ngeke ngivezele ibhenki balance ngibe
Hayi,
sikhona ngeke ngivezele imiliyoni wathi ngiyibeke ibhenki bese uyaqoma mangishelanga nje
Asekhe
ngikushelanga
kanje. Let's say udibane nami eKawash. Yafika lapha mfana wami Mazda
Ayi.
65
Awu.
diyakuldika. Wena buqhamuke ngequid. Utofuna emntwini
Noma
weMazda
ngabe
uqhamuke ngequid.
Ngiyamtshela ukuthi hayi sazise imoto kasisi wami lana izogezwa nje
Uqhamuka John Walker uya usisi weMazda ukhambe uyowetshela.
ngiyashela intombi inhle ngiyithandile
kanti intombi hayibo kumele manje ngoba
Manje-
umbone ehamba ngekuthile manje akasashela
Lokuthi intombi le ula.
Hayi, ngeke.
hayi washo ubani umfeze emnyama
Uba incuvisi.
ubani
umfeze emnyama umfeze omnyama lo
Umfeze
kwamaskandi
emnyama?
lo kwamaskandi lo wathi suka emabhozeni athi ufuna nemhlanga wazi ukuthi awunamali uthi ufuna intombi emhlanga wazi ukuthi awunamali
hayi
so
kodwa
siyayizwa
Ngathi
hayi
so nithanda i-situationship more than i-relationship because phela
Hayi, ngeke.
khona manje into eyenzakala kusho ukuthi it's a situationship lezi ezenzakala manje ngoba phela manje asajoleli ukuthi sifuna ukugana umuntu uyazi ukuthi mina ngizogana mase kunezinto but okwamanje ama-situationship asekhona amakhavela ama-situationship noba kusayinto asegoli
Emakhaya? I don't think. I think akhona.
Asekhona
Because-
ne?
Yes, because yabona umzekelo ngoku. Bese ngihlale egoli mina ke benitenga esikole UJ dishiye indoda yami emakhaya. Mina ndibuya nini ngoDecember kuphela. Ukhona business pha emakhaya but lona pha emakhaya uyathi ukuthi kukhona lokho egoli ufika mayifikile lo wake egoli iphelile into beyidibanisa lo bhuti iyoziphinde iqale mase ukukhambe lo wake bathi basibito no 10 days awukhona no 10 days ngokuphela
and vele babiza ngama 10
or
days.
bathi si special sika December hayi sikhona special sika December
manje khona la emakhaya ngithi ukuqonywe khona umehluko phakathi kokuqonywa umisa iduku kube khona ukucela uyalobola ke la manje lezi zinto phakathi kokucela nokuqonya uma isiduku hayi mina ngibona ngathi uchitha isikhathi nokumosha imali
wena ucabangani
ngoba
ucabanga
kuyafana mase nilokhujile lo muntu ngakusasa uqeda kumisela iduku engakwali kutshela usethole omunye umuntu
hey andinjalo
into nokumisa iduka ndathi kwangumisa iduka
ingakho
asimisa iduka
ingakho uvela ugane ngembuzi
azimisa iduku ukusho ukuthi mina nawe V sesiqomene ungiqomile ngokusemthethweni uyintombi
umthetho
yami
walayo
uyintombi yami sekuyaziwa nje manje
intombi zakwaZulu phela nangu umagatsheni injalo
bangumisela iduka
umisa iduku ukhona ukumisela iduku magatsheni
uyavuma
khona ukumisela iduku
ukhona
hayi uyablash ukuthi ukhona ukumisela iduku
bese mangabe kuyocelwa-ke kusuke kwenziwani ke khona ngempela ikahle kahle nginokudideka lapho
interesting
It's very interesting and I think nama ngazi ukuthi masiqale nje lapho nama ngazi but I think it's very fascinating and very interesting the processes zakwaZulu ukuyothatha and I think we need to get someone that knows that can tell us
Yes.
all the beautiful stages ezenzakala lapho ngoba mina phela ngeke ngize ngisho mina ekhaya ucela so uyasho ukuthi
ngisho socelile futhi wayikhipha lo mali okucela intombi kuyenzeka futhi phinde futhi ikwali kushiye kanjalo
angisebafuna laba abanemoto nangu nayo yasho ukuthi sebafuna wena manje umosha lesikhathi ulwazi kanje uhamba ngeenyawo ulwazi vela bone kahle ukuthi ukhona we-rap
awubone nje lentayo lithi nditakuwe ogibela itaxi ohlika ekoneni eyelo bese ogibela itaxi kune-container ebovu wehla kulo container ujike ekoneni unyuke uthi andibona nimela yitulu ke mina ayizongilanda mfowethu
ngingakulanda mina ngisho kuyipholo ngikhiphe ngithi mina ngoba nguhlama phuma lapha phuma wenza lokho ngoba nguhlama mina awuphume lapha
uyabali
kodwa ke ake sikhulumeni indaba ngoba ngifuna kahle ngifuna size la ngilo ngigxile kakhulu futhi nakuma apps because ama apps right now they are playing a very important role ukutholana abantu batholana kwi-TikTok abantu batholana kwi-Instagram abantu batholana khona Tinder lapho do you think and manje into enzakalayo and I think one of the reasons why abantu ngomjolo is because they've got too many options. Do you think our apps are giving us options and then when you have too many options and then you don't then have a commitment to become someone who has commitment issues? Do you think having more options of dating can break a commitment, or is it just because nesisile nje hayi siyazidlalela lapha?
Into iteke ilime twin ngekhathi
I really think so. I think because we've got too many options abantu bakudala that's why they even lasted because they didn't have so many options. Babe khona la ubona le ntombazana yakwa Gametse lokugijima laphana utshela ubaba wakho ukuthi baba uye lwana ngoba vele but manje hawo
dala futhi kuthiwa kwakutholana kuthiwa nje intombi manje ibona ukuthi ngiyayifuna le ntombi nixhake nibeke la
That me so much. I'm glad it was banned.
emva lapha yabhenelwana
Hayi wrong.
kanjani
cha ufuna sikuxhake
Hayibo kurongo ukuthini ngesibhaca kanje uhuqa. Hayibo kurong uhuqa. And if nje uyabheka phanga kuyithi ke ngokusubheka lamakhaphula amadzala. Hamba yabona wena uhuqa nje. Yabona.
naleyo ukuthi kuzoganiselana izingane obaba sothi wena ubaba nobaba ngali sothi mina ngineyinkomo
Ayikho umuntu oyafuqinsa ngakhe.
sineyingane bese kuba ukuthi mayikhula ingane zethu mina ngifuna ingane yami zogane yakho lonto le i-right in yona
Arranged.
yeah it was better
Okay, what if andimfuni lo muntu
akangifuni
what if
zathandana khona
ngenkani ngokuthi ukuthi mina ngifuna ukubenefita from us
uthando akwazi
lento
ukulala
lena isebenzela nina abazali thina
angeke mina ngifuna ucebo ngathi
hayi asivale I think kodwa I would like to hear from you Mkhaya uhleli lapho please do comment usitshele ukuthi are we becoming these options that you have are becoming more free to love or just more confused confused. And which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the traditional dating or you prefer the online dating, the urban one? Lena yase goli ukuthi uzangena ekonka ayisekho la uzangena eclubini uthola intokazi then ushade kusasa. So yeah, siyenzeka nalezo. But ke I think yeah, singayirest leyo sikwazi ukuthi sivale. But before sivala ke ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi do you have anything to say siqanqale ku V?
Yeah, before sivale futhi speaking about umjolo and marriage and stuff. In case you didn't know, you can send me a message anonymously venting about something. Ndiyathanda ukuthi uvente ngomjolo. Abantu amakhuluma abafana. Ndiyathanda ukuthi uvente ngomjolo. So ukhona onsendele anonymous message.
Basende kuphi?
They can send kuma pages where we podcast.
Okay, cool. Okay,
Yes,
cool. And then
because-
go email. We've also put an email
Yes,
here. If you
email
want
as
just
well.
to be more private, we send an email. We'll put the email so that you're able to.
So Lona uthi, Dear V, please keep me anonymous.
Wait. So you are reading now.
I'm
Thina
reading
sokwenzani?
now.
So
Please listen.
Oh, we listen.
And listen carefully.
Listen,
Okay.
we
And
don't
then-
judge.
And
we
then
listen, we don't judge.
Nashubile ukufunza at the end you can share your opinion and
Okay.
then advice. Kahle kahle la ndifuna ama advice ne.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
cool.
So,
So umuntu yakubhalela and then we get to advise.
yes.
Okay, cool.
Get to advice.
Sihambe
So-
Dr.
Allowed to
What?
judge.
Eh?
Are we allowed to judge?
Uyajajana vele wena so I can't
ngiyajajana
control you.
mina.
Vele wena. So uthi Dear V, please keep me anonymous.
Slungless.
I once dated a guy that is 9 years older than me and he had his own family, which means the guy was married. I'm confused whether he truly loves me or not. The other side of me wants to leave the relationship and the other side still loves him a lot. Is it really worth saving my heart, what it wants, or I should value myself and be considerate about my well-being?
Uzomela inhliziyo phela.
Hayi. Ufunani umuntu one family futhi? Asiqale lapho nje kodwa ngeke.
Uzimela inhliziyo ngempela kodwa.
Ngeke kodwa.
Kodwa simase sibe serious ngempela. Ish.
Hayi ke ufunani amaqala ufunani umuntu noganile. Njengisho now like so manje if I have to advise mina I will say leave.
Ungazimela inhliziyo.
Ungazumela inhliziyo. What if uya find out umfazi lo cheatelwa because this is cheating. And ekhaya asifuni cheating. Asifuni cheating. So what do you say when Mnqobi
Mina nje ngisho nje qeda ukufunda ukuthi nje shiya.
Shiya phansi.
Hayi,
Uzomela
shiya phansi.
inhliziyo phela ayikhenye into.
madoda
Ungathanda umuntu one family yakhe ofocus kwi family yakhe vele wena akakuthanda ovela.
vele amajita vele enza kanjalo wazi ukuthi nje nakakuthandeli nje uma kufihla nje umakhwapheni kodwa ke kumnandi ubona umakhwapheni ayikho into emnandi kubona phela umakhwapheni phela uloko ukhiphe stress kuye loyana ke uthi yazi nasikhuluma ngendaba ama finance asendlini zonke lezo ya ukuthi nje wathi ke ngike so nje kumnandi nyana kodwa ke hayi asipromote lonto hey
Makamshiye like makamshiye nyane i serial cheater Nkosi yami.
hayi ke no silo cheater kanjani usho ucheater nomuntu oyedwa so cheater phela is cheating with too many people.
Do you know the pattern? Ne yabona umshiye okay undive kahle nje umshiye lo ugcela ukudlala and then because noba ngenteka ashiya umngakhe ete kuwe the way yomchole ngakhona nabanye but like it's going to be a cycle.
No, no.
Just block it.
Mawuyincinza hlala lapho ungaloku ukuthi une family wenzakalani wena nje uyazazi ukuthi umakhwapheni hlala kumakhwapheni mangabe sofuna ukuthi phuma lapho ukuthi manje wena sozibizela ezinye izinto
Makamamele leli side elithi lifuna ukuphuma shiya lonto ababaningi abafana emhlabeni shembe ubhizi
hayibo
umfana
yini
ushadile.
ngibani ngidlula thina
Amantombazane maningi.
yeah ingakho kumele uthathe isithembu sasikhuluma one day ukuthi isithembu kwenzakalani
Makamshiye
but
man there's always better.
yeah no in those situations as we don't break families and sometimes such we breaking families mangabe ufuna wencinza ukhuluma nomama endlini uthi mama mina ngizoba nezincinza
Ngeke
nivumelana
ngoba nawe usingatshadanga.
no uyavumelana phela
Yenzeka
ukuthi
loo
nto.
evumelana
Hayi,
nangumseleko bake basho abafazi bakhe lapha bathi asiyamazi ukuthi vele unabo abanye ingakho
Abaseceleni
abasecaleni
ngaphandle kwalabo
Angathi
bakhona
ngingayini?
babaziwayo.
Bayeda nabo that's
Abethi balapha bayazazi
Bakhona
balapha
hayi ngeke.
bakhona bakhona
Yini
balapha
ngathi lo mkhulu?
allegedly hey angifuna ukungena enkingeni allegedly but ke yeah no let's just say let's not break families hey interesting indaba omjolo and actually just nje this type of conversation of dating and I think we're going to have more of this we're going to have more guests abazokhuluma ngazo abantu that knows about a family structure and nokuthi ingcinza kumele sibehave kanjani umuntu umama wasendlini kumele behave kanjani and all those stuff yeah ngathi ngiyayala le tradition yengcinza nama dating apps ukuthi what's actually happening there and all the stuff I think it's going to be quite an interesting time la ekhaya na ake ngiyayivala ke mina noba khona usafuna ukuthi
before uyivale mina nje yabona ke mina ke nje to my girls out there asho nje nomfana osazama langa ay
okay awuthi khuluma
can I finish uyabona nangabe ujwana nomfana osazama na ufuna ukuzama naye wathi ukuthi deep down uyendiswa ile ndlela because uyamthanda you are not expecting anything in return awufuna ukuthi nasepopile abese khuphuka nawe ke ngoku because if uyamnceda umani umnike imali wekha ama CV imali yokuyofesa imali yokuthinthini ngoba unethemba lokuthi nase la utakhamba nawe nase ngasayenti lonto leyo utavuke ICU so nangabe uyayenda lonto leyo uyamnceda ngoba vele abafana niyabondla vele so nangabe uyamondla umfana wakho umentela letoti wathi ukuthi umentela ngenhlitiyo emhlophe you not expecting anything in return noba niyahlukana wathi ukuthi uphumela nje awunasiqoko because if uyamondla ngoba unethemba lobuthi akondla nangu useshiya yabalo nasela
hayi
Ungakayi.
nizothina sithulile bathe sithule hey
yabona maselana utaqala uyabona ngoku uthi na ingena ku Instagram ebona abo Faith Gains abona yabona itype yamqhawe Faith Gains kanaka uyabona ke ngoku nase nemali utamnaka ke ngoku aqale ke ngoku
Kuyinkinga uma ngabe thina siplace ama standards samajit.
I stand to start upon
Cha ngiyabuza masibeka ama standards ngoba nani nawo
kumele kube ne
standards.
standard amadoda kumele abe ne standard angithi nabo abantu besimamba ne standard uyazi ukuthi nawe ke mhlombe ke umthathi umuntu usenengane ngoba phela standard sakho ukuthi wena usafuna itshitshi uyahamba uyemhlangeni uyosithathela itshitshi lakho ngoba manje sonemali zakho sofundile uyeke ke manje angithi manje standard sakho unama preference kanjalo madoda ebanama standard madoda ebanama standard madoda
Una 19 usugcwele lapha ama comment uthi I'm single and searching. Ayiyeke lonto leyo.
na 19
Cha ngiyasho lo ukuthi ufaka isithombe sakho i-comment I'm 19
so single and searching iphi imfundo hayibo hey kodwa mase hey mjolo lento le complex and I think no masiyekeni ngoba yabona masingakhuluma kanje ngeke siqede ayikho enye into futhi engishiyayo ayikho ke into engishiya hayi theke aphumeke manje isizukulu sikaMadziba ke manje lapho ngavunywa khona ke bomalume bami bathi abadide embekezeli ngabadida mina emhlabeni wehlathi evutayo ngabadida ngafika lapha kwaHlungu bangivuma nasebhayi bathi J is the man bangivuma emhlabeni wakamshweshwe phansi eFixburg bathi ho ha mina ngavunywa nakwamshweshwe ke madoda hayi ke ngiyabonga umoto lo kama mnandi ngaliphinda kabili qi
Ngcono ekhaya.
kungcono ekhaya
ihoha isisivele sonke ngesiphumeni